Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about Jadu Krishnamurti's speech, a very beautiful speech. He told about beyond the noise of words. So let's start the speech. Beyond the noise of words. Listening is an art not easily come by, but in it there is beauty and great understanding. We listen with the various depth of our being, but our listening is always with a preconception or from a particular point of view. We do not listen simply. There is always the intervening screen of our own thought. Conclusions and projections. To listen, there must be an inward quietness, a freedom from the strain of acquiring, a relaxed attention. This alert yet passive state is able to hear what is beyond the verbal conclusion. Words confuse. They are only the word. They are only the outward means of communication. But to communicate beyond the noise of words, there must be in listening and alert passively. Those who love may listen, but it is extremely rare to find a listener. Most of us are after results, achieving goals. We are forever overcoming and conquering, and so there is no listening. It is only in listening that one hears the song of the words. By Jadu Krishnamurti. So thank you for watching this video. I'll bring some more videos like this. Bye bye.